Hey, welcome back. I had a company reach out to me called Epic Water Filters. They want me to review their water filter pitcher. So they sent me one. They didn't exchange any money with me. They didn't give me any money for this. I do get to keep the pitcher with the water filter in it. But today I'm going to run a series of tests on the water filter system that they sent me. It's supposed to filter out impurities and, like lead and chlorine and things like that. But it's also supposed to filter out fluoride. I don't have fluoride testers, but I do have water testers that I bought. So we're going to test this water pitcher. Then we're going to test it. I've got a pressurized system underneath my sink. We're going to test it against that. And I've also got the Brita water filter system. So we're going to test that. I went out and bought a new filter for this, so this is not an old filter that's going to be in this thing. Let's go ahead and unbox the pitcher. All right, as you can see, it's not even been opened yet. So there's the outside box. It's the Epic Water Filter Pure Water Filtration Jug. So inside you've got instructions, some safety paperwork, and the jug itself comes wrapped in plastic. And as you see, the jug has a wooden handle. It's got a guide up here to tell you how much water filter you've got left, evidently. Looks like the water goes in there. And let's get the filter put in. Oh, that's cool. So it just screws on the bottom and it comes out, looks like the lettering. Am I right? Okay, so according to the instructions, it says that there is a pure filter and a nano filter. It looks like I've got the pure filter. So all you do is screw it on. Ready to go. So as previously mentioned, I'm going to change out the filter. That was the old filter in my Brita pitcher, and it's been several years since I've used this. So I did kind of rinse it out a little bit. I've got both pitchers ready. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I've got a third pitcher here. All I'm going to do is fill that up with water and pour it in each one of them, so they'll have exactly the same water out of exactly the same spigot. So first we're going to put it in the Epic water filter system. And I'm going to be really honest with you guys. As you can see, it's leaking around the filter. All right, so I've got two of these 2-packs. These are the water testers that I'm using, and I'll link those below. Okay, you all, we're back. So I skipped a very important step. That's rinsing the filters out. So when I ran these without the water being filtered through twice, like it said, got really high numbers. So let me go ahead and redo this because I want it to be correct. So we're back with our pitchers. Here again is the Epic water. My only complaint with this thing so far is it's hard to get that open. I feel like the handle should be on the top end, but let's see. All right, so there's the Epic. Here is the Brita, and this is going to be from the tap. So everything is from the same place. Now I'm going to go ahead, and this glass right here is going to be from the sink. I'm sorry. This glass right here is going to be from the under the sink water filter system I've got. This is pressurized, 6-stage. I'll leave a link for it below. I think you're going to enjoy the results from that too. So Okay, so both pitchers are pretty well done filtering what I put through them. So this is the Epic water filter system. Okay. Now, this is the Brita water filter system. All right, so both filters have had 2 jugs run through them. The containers have all been rinsed out, cleaned out. This is the tap water. This is what we got to beat. So the test on that. Tap water out of a Florida aquifer, 199 parts per million. So we'll just leave that there. I don't know, you all. 204. This is the Brita. $134. And this is from my pressurized 6-stage water filtration system under my sink. $17. So I'm going to run the test one more time. Let me clean these jugs out real good one more time and just make sure that we've done this correct, because I was hoping for better numbers than that out of the Epic. Give me one moment. Okay, you all, last chance. I've rinsed it, washed it, used mild dish detergent, scrubbed the thing out inside and out. Let's see if any of that makes a difference. It appears that that gasket wants to come up over the lip of this. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. All right, whatever happens this time is whatever happens this time. Looks like we've got a really good seal, and it's just trickling through the filter. So I'm gonna pause the video and we'll come back when it's done. All right, we're back, and I think enough water has cycled through that. Let me take this off. What I don't want is the top water to get mixed with the bottom water. So let me just take this out. As you see, this is trickling really slow. Go ahead and pour that in the glass. Now, let's see where we are. We're set to 0. $204. That's the exact reading that I got on my tap water. Let's do the Brita again. $133 for the Brita. $17 for the under the faucet pressurized water filter system. Well, there you have it. 204 on the Epic water filter, 133 on the Brita, 17 parts per million on the under the sink water filter. I probably should let me straighten my head. I know I got a Frankenstein head. Hoping for better results from Epic water filter, but I mean, I've tested it 3 times, 4 times, whatever it is, and I'm just not getting spectacular results. 204 parts per million is definitely, they say it's drinkable. 204 is in the range of moderate water with increased mineral content. I live in Florida. We get our water from an aquifer. It's legitimately the hardest water probably on the planet. So if you wanted like a hardcore acid test review of this filter system in Florida water, it comes out 204. I'll leave a link for the pressure system that's under my sink, along with the Epic water filter and a Brita pitcher too. You know, it's all of them are. That was almost a lie. The Brita and the one under my sink, they knocked down the mineral count. The Epic water filter and my tap water, the parts per million were identical. I'm gonna go ahead and taste test it. Even though it's got the same parts per million, we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is the tap water. It's got no filtration on it. It's Florida tap water. This is the Epic water filter. Tastes like Florida tap water. This is from my pressurized system. That is a whole lot different. It's a lot better. And this is from the Brita. It's a little better than the Epic. I'm sorry, Epic. I wanted a fantastic review. I mean, I guess you can argue this is a fantastic review because you see what your system is against the competition. If you enjoyed this review, give me a thumbs up. If you want your product reviewed, please get in touch with me. It will be an honest review. If it's spectacular, I'll say that. If it needs some assistance, I can't sugarcoat it. All right, bye.